Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the IDE. Install the correct Visual Studio workload for your language, then sign in so settings sync across machines. Once done, click Create New Project, pick the template that matches your app type, choose a target framework, and configure project location. Make sure to name the solution logically so future navigation is fast. After the project scaffolds, open Solution Explorer and expand files to confirm the initial structure is present and ready for editing. Now you configure the project and start implementing features. Set build configuration to debug for iteration, pick the correct platform, then add dependencies via NuGet so you avoid manual DLL issues. As you code, rely on IntelliSense to speed typing and use refactor commands to rename or extract methods. This keeps the codebase maintainable. Once logic is in place, set breakpoints and run the debugger. Make sure to step through calls, inspect variables, and watch exceptions to verify behavior before the full build. Finish by compiling and validating the app. Rebuild the solution to catch compile time issues, then run it with debug when you need step-through diagnostics, or start without debugging for performance checks. Execute unit tests and exercise edge cases to confirm behavior. If you hit persistent build errors, clean the solution, delete bin and obj folders, and restore NuGet packages. Also verify the target framework matches reference libraries. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched framework versions often cause runtime failures, so double-check frameworks and package versions first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.